Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Comhoma, Comhoma, Comhoma recliner chair. It's a television chair with adjustable backrest, up to 160 degrees. Feather cushion with a footrest and a single launcher. This is an armchair, a living for the living room, for the bedroom, for home cinema in PU Grey. It's also on the market in brown or black available. We have here an adjustable relaxing chair Comhoma. Adjustable recliner allows us to enjoy our preferred sitting position whenever we prefer sitting straight, putting our legs up, or lying flat. The backrest is adjustable from 90 degrees up to 160 and can be adjusted according to our desired sitting positions. And we have a high quality materials here in this price range, of course, with a sturdy metal frame and a high quality materials such as polyester, wedding, of course, and foam. This armchair offers a durability and comfort in a modern design. Thanks to the robust material, the sturdy structure comes with a maximum load capacity up to 150 kilograms. And this is a spring cushion. The seat cushions are equipped with a high-quality spring core that provide an extra comfort and an extra support. This comfort ensures that the sitting remains comfortable even for a long period of time. And then reinforced armrests, because the armrests are extra reinforced to provide extra comfort and extra support, this making the chair ideal for prolonged sitting. This recliner chair offers us an optimal place to relax and rest. We can use the chair in the living room, bedroom, and of course in the office. And cleaning. This is in a breeze. The sofa is made from the durable PU material that not only provides excellent comfort, but it is also very easy to clean. A simple wipe is enough to keep it clean and tidy. And a recliner. This is an armchair that reclines when the occupant lowers the chair's back and raises its front. It has a backrest that can be tilted back, and often a footrest that may be extended by means of a lever on the side of the chair, or many extended automatically when the back is reclined, like here. A recliner is also known as a recliner chair, lounger, and an armchair. Modern recliners often feature an adjustable headrest, lumbar support, and an independent footstand that adjusts with the weight and the angle of the user's legs to maximize the comfort. Additional features including heat, massage, and vibrations are on the market available, but not in this model here. Some models are wheelchair accessibilities. A recliner can also recommended in the nearest superior position for sleeping, this making them multifunctional furniture, and are common in the airplanes and trains as well as in homes. The word recline was first used in the 1660s, derived ultimately from the Latin word reclinar. This Latin term itself combines the prefix re, meaning back, with the clinar, meaning clinare, to bend. Beginning in the 1880s, the word recliner was used to describe a type of chair. Around the 1850, the French introduced a reclining bed that could serve a chair, a bed, and a chaise lounge. It was portable and features a padded armrest and a steel frame. In the latest 1800s, many designs were found for motion chairs that are made of wood with a padded seat in the back. Designed from France, and America included a document of the book holder. The first recliner chair was reportedly owned by Napoleon III. Knabish and Shoemaker's two American cousins are redired with gained patents on a wooden recliner. The designs was the same one bench recliner found in other designs. Issued in 1928, the patent led to the founding of a lazy boy. In 1930s, Knabish and Shoemaker patented an upholstered model with a mechanical movement. In 1959, Daniel F. Kettemeyer patented a recliner as owner of a National Furniture MFG.co based in Assenville, Indiana. The design was based on the science of kinetic that used while serving the U.S. Air Force. He designed was by NASA for a Seaton Project Mercury, Gemini, and Apollo. His chairs were used in the ready room for this mission and can be seen in the movie Apollo 13. The Secret Service bought 50 of them for President Lyndon B. Johnson as a Christmas gift. A Life magazine photo of the President Johnson post-bomb gallbladder surgery has the president lifting his shirt and showing this scar while sitting in one of these chairs. The presidential seal was embossed on these chairs with one current in the Smithsonian Institute and another at the London Bath and Johnson Library and Museum. With over 300 patents, Caldemery added the foot lift rest, heated seating and massage features to the chair, and had the patent for the first entertainment center. So you see, a recliner has a big history, and Come Homer brings us this knowledge to us in a modern and cheap way, because this is nearly possible to get a recliner in each household. Make it possible by Come Homer. This is a television chair with adjustable backrest, and it's adjustable up to 160 degrees. Feather cushion with footrest. 4. Bedroom, home cinema in PU. Materials: gray, brown, or black. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun.